Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic. So since late 2020, early 2021, we are hear album talks from couple artists in a dancehall. One being Shensia. Shensia said her album done, record already, she work on it and everything ready just for release. We also hear Beatman say the same, film album done and about for release. The other day, post one video with one song, one gospel song. I know dancehall kind of gospel song, and him a dance and we find out that is from his album also, and film album are forward soon. But people, one more artist that we are look for album from, her debut album, we are talk about Spice, the queen of the dancehall. Now I know Spice situation go with VP. I don't know, so she could have put out an album from all her career basically, you know what I mean? She could have put out an album because she had problems with her label. So it looked like Shaggy step in and him help her out. So I'm going to show you where one of my subscribers send, and we're going to go through it piece by piece and see if we can piece the puzzle together and see what I go on for Spice album. Alright? So about a day or two ago, Spice put this on her story and she tagged Conscience and I said if she could drop it. So obviously it's a song with her and Conscience. The music video ready, the song ready. I just them for release it. Now people, me not go tell them say this dep on the album or not dep on the album, me not know. But what me know is that Shaggy mentioned in an 2020 interview and say Spice album will come around March. So me doing the maths and from what the subscribers send me, you know what I mean? Me I think like maybe this song could be on the album, you know, because this could have been when I single them, but maybe not also, you know what I mean? But it would have good if I saw the album set up where she have features with people. I have some material for sure, you know, like at least some writers and thing, and she and Shaggy in the studio. So we'll get through that. But first, let's hear what Shaggy say about Spice album.
I'm guessing that, you know, this year has been probably a year where you've probably been able to focus more on getting into the studio. What else are you cooking up for all your fans for 2021? Because you know what, you've been in Jamaica, probably for like 6 months straight. And I know that there's more to come from Shaggy, not just Christmas in the islands. So what else have we got cooking?
There's a lot. There's a whole lot. There's a lot. There's a lot. Okay. It's you know, you gotta look out for Spice's album, which we're producing, and you know that I'm excited for that. I'm looking forward to see when that comes out, probably around March, and that's one of the big projects, you know.
So credits to Word Sound Power for that interview, and the links will be provided to most of the material them when we use in this video, right? But people will learn from what Shaggy just said. Two things me learn. Him say Spice album where him produce, and him say it a forward around March. Now we know how the situation go, and it look like this done in the pandemic because you see, you know, Shaggy there in yard, and then him there where him there, DJ 745 there where him there, and I do the interview. So more than likely this are like in the middle of the pandemic, right? So the album they ready already when him attack that. So people are mostly from 2019 from when we see them did a work on the album. So definitely we know say ready. So right there, so now I want to ask, who excited for Spice album? Which is a Shaggy have an involvement in it. I want to know, say Shaggy is like one of the only Jamaican who sell diamond pan film album. So I say 10 million copies sold, and more than 10 million, but that, you know what I mean? That is what bring it to diamond. That's what I want to say. Right? So we know say Shaggy know what he do when he come on to album thing. He have the experience, he make album before, and I talk about, like we just said, successful album, right? But people, tell me if you know ready for Spice album, if you know excited for Spice album, the Spice fans them, right? It might not be what we expected that Shaggy involved in it. We don't think of them bag of skin out and jump. It's actually song. And I'll show you why me I say that. Because we see Spice in the studio alright. And it look like them hire some writer for help with the album also. So this is not just Spice doing her thing. This is like very controlled and very, you know what I mean, targeted to whatever they might try to achieve. So me say they might have hired some songwriters or have some songwriters on the team. Oh, me know that, well, the person that posts that video had this in the caption. Them say writing session vibes with Spice, and them tag Shaggy, them tag somebody named Shane who sang Olaf Blackwood and Noah Power. Now we know Noah Power have sang. We know say Noah Power and Shaggy did that par in like 2019. So it all makes sense, you know, what did that go on, right? But that person that will post this, him is the person who sing the song Pine and Ginger. Him and another female artist. I don't remember her name right away, but female name is Tessellated, I think, right? And him even do music for like Apple commercial and them thing there. So it's a big deal, you know what I mean? We're talking about international writer, right? And him also post this photograph with himself and Spice and the other writer when named Shane Usang. What may I call him name, right? So people will see say definitely Spice them did have put in some work back in 2019. And the fact that we don't see a lot or hear a lot about this from 2020, it looked like the album they already done from 2019. It's just probably through the pandemic or them have to clear what them have to clear to get the album out. Now we know say VP still have some involvement with Spice career, because the other day when she want Friends to release, she tagged VP and I said please release it. So maybe VP just still have that song there, or maybe VP still have Spice career in them hand. But however, we know say Shaggy clear up something, because this photograph right now, it says meeting of the minds, let's get it Spice official, #VP, #Ranch Entertainment. And what my source is saying is that Shaggy and Spice were spotted together in a photograph with her A&R, Neil Edwards, and the CEO of VP Records, Chris Chin, where a meeting about the album apparently took place. So it definitely looked like Shaggy gets Spice cleared for the album at least. We don't know why else him get her clear for if she half a VP altogether or what. We don't know. We don't know how the deal go, but we know say Spice have an album. And when you tell me if so far from what me show, you know, if it makes sense, and from what my sources say, if it makes sense. A lot of Shaggy 2019 post them, him tag Spice or him mention her album. Like that one writer say him say in between rehearsal of The Little Mermaid, and him tag Little Wayne now, Olaf Blackwood again, #Spice album, and him tag Spice and him say LA. And the other one where the songwriting did that go on where Shaggy did there, the location, and that was New York with the songwriters them. So when you see say a big project people, you know, Shaggy in LA I work on it while him I work on Little Mermaid, and also him there New York I work on it with the writers them, and we don't know how much other things go on where they never take no picture, or them never make no video or nothing like that, right? But people, when you tell me one thing, because what my source I say with all these resources and these big writers and all these things, this album is going to be good. And me agree with that. Now when you tell me from what me show, no one think about that. Back in 2019, to remember Spice had a song with Shaggy. It was the remix, the Kemara Can So Saucy remix. They had a premiere for the video and everything. When you know Shaggy do for him thing different. The man they not just do it like everybody else, just say we have a song and come out. The man they actually keep an event and say it's the release of the music video and them kind of something. So people get in the comment section, let me know what you think about this, what you think Spice album is going to be like, you know, whole heap of collaboration, different kind of song from what we used to from Spice. Maybe we see Shaggy on them, maybe some other international artists. We don't know if none of the writers, them are going to be a features because them are artists also, right? So we just are going to leave it there. So for today, this is the end of this video. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Everybody big up on yourself. Have a wonderful weekend. Stay safe out there. Do the right thing at all times. I'm out.
2021 Alpha Run Rides and Big D Promotions in association with the Power Circle presents Alkaline Live. You heard right, Alkaline Live in concert, Saturday, February 20th, 2021 at the SD Lawn, 5317 North Falkenberg Road, Tampa. Alkaline Live. Also performing Insidious and more artists to be added. Alkaline, live in concert. Make it a date, Saturday, February 20th. Alkaline Live. All of Florida coming out for this. Advance tickets start at $50. Get your tickets now on Eventbrite.com and all Caribbean outlets throughout Florida. For more info, call 407-749-8064 or 407-803-1212. Saturday, February 20th. Alkaline Live.
After all, dog, and that's how we had
You're deaf!
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.